So today, pupunta ako sa optical clinic kasi nawala ko yung glasses ko last time when I had my appointment to get my photos taken. And today, I think I need it kasi sa Saturday na yung defense namin and I really need my glasses kasi last month, I also did a presentation but then I think medyo nagwang ako kasi nga wala akong makita. And I was like going back and forth with my professor. Let's see if I can get the screen kasi so now, pupunta na ako.
Pero nawala po siya. Kailan po nawala po siya? Last week lang. Ito po ba sa ibig? No. Kailan po na po sila? 20. If ever po ka ulit at
170 kami, 150 po yata. I'm not sure.
last week lang po.
Yes. Cellphone and gadgets. Kumusta naman siya? Ay, napatagal po yung cellphone ko. Sige. Parang yung pababa, parang pag ganun siya. Okay. Parang saan ako? 299. Card pay. Okay.
Tagal na ako naghahanap ng peanut butter. Yung mga nabibili sa akin. Piliin ko ba? Mura lang. 35 pesos. So, para sa sa bread. Kulang ko na lang is all photos. At hindi ko siya mahanap. Saan kaya yun?
I'm back to get my glasses now. Sana ready na. Yay! Charot! Nakuha ko na siya guys. Medyo naninibago ulit ako. Parang something wrong. Parang hindi comfortable yung mata ko. Diba? Ewan ko. Pero, wait lang. So, hey guys! Okay, so today, I will be meeting with my group members for our research paper kasi tomorrow na yung thesis defense namin. And first time namin magkikita-kita lahat as a group kasi we only communicate via messenger and even nga I don't even know their face. The first time that I clearly know their face is when we were working. Siyempre, kailangan ng profile ng researchers doon. So, obviously, lalagay mo yung picture mo doon. Doon ko lang nakita yung mga mukha nila, guys. Ever. And it was like, we would, like, it's so amazing that we were able to pull this off. Pero kasi, parang, because of that, parang ang dami ring pangit sa paper namin. Kasi nga, walang clear communication talaga na face-to-face. Like parang kuusap talaga kami, we were brainstorming, more on chat na lang talaga. And ang
ang daming flaw sa paper namin, pero nagawa namin in fairness namin. And at the same time, ano sila eh, parang OJT na, nag-OJT na sila. So, obviously, busy din sila sa pinag-OJT-han nila. So, that's why. And I'm kind of nervous ako at the same time. Talagang hopefully magkaroon kami ng clear communication this time. Yeah.
Sure na panel natin. Magandang lotion. Tsaka yung sure na panel natin.
Wala na kasi yung uploaded siya. Hindi nandiyan naman si Ate Joanne. Go yan.
Pasado ka, pasado.
Sa Maria, si Zula, tsaka si Piri nga lang yung kilala ko sa
Si Bandojo ba yun? Bandojo na. Yung content hindi
yung content
na.
wala na.
May mata ka, no? May mata ka, no?
Diyan na.
You're here.
Ang init ko.
Ay, okay. Ang seal. Nasa ano?
Asan yung clear?
Nandoon yun sa clear na Wait.
Today is my final exam sa ISD. And then try ako mag-review ko sa pag-exam. Tingnan mo ay mag-school. Nalin yan. Try ako mag-review. Pero wala mo pa school. So mabili lang sa mga there's to stay there.
If it is expensive, fine. We'll mention the problem. We assume that it's zero. It's just because the market is expensive, zero. If it's yours, alright. Whenever I say it's very close, it's very you know what I'm really without learning. Because you won't be very something is not is another percent weight. Don't you have any further than assets? The very percentage of the over every asset software to the unsecured. They will know that basic is secure, unsecured without sure, and the unsecured portion of the partial secured liability. Okay. For the percentage on every assets, 16860. Isa-isa natin ang gawin kung unsecured natin. Tama ba? House payable of 48.5 is an unsecured without priority. Lagyan natin ang 48.5 right is your house payable. What else? Your notes payable for 80,000. Lagyan natin siya. That's 80,000.
So hey guys, today is my last day of final exams for this semester. And that's medyo counting 3. And mag-get ready ako. Excuse me. may problem. Eh, feeling ko problema talaga ako. So, today is the day talaga na matatapos na yung exams ko kasi around 6 to 7:30 is my final exam for Intermediate Accounting 3 and I'll be going na. I just finished my makeup and then I'm ready to go now. Ay. Tapos, we also finish our revisions for our research paper. We just need to endorse it to the panel and our advisors. And we're unofficially done for this semester. I'm like so tired of everything. Oh my gosh. I just need to wear my shoes. Guys, tapos na ako. Tapos ako mag-exam. Ganun ako, yung chain break free. Oh my gosh. Ito. Ano ba yun? Anyway. FPU. Tapos ako this second semester. Tapos na ako, guys. Like, legit. Parang, pero alam nyo, guys, wala talaga ako review. So, for sure, bagsak ako.